vlog.
Black with the vlog like vlog.
We're at Knott's Berry Farm, G.
We at Knott.
Knott's with the 2 T's, Berry
Two
Farm.
T's, not 3, not 4, not 5.
Not 6.
7.
2. You sure it's 2?
Yeah, I think it's 2.
We're here with the familia.
No.
See it over there in the back of the
This
back.
is
That little nigga right there.
Uh-uh.
Switch.
It's mighty cold.
I'm trying to be a video.
You trying to go to the red one, Brian?
I'm gonna school at Knott's Farm.
That ain't no at
No.
all.
I wanna eat.
Give me my smoothie.
I said
Trying to
no.
finesse me. Where are you going?
Where you Look, he ready to go to Knott's.
Bro, I'm trying to go on that bro.
I think so. We couldn't go last time we came.
I have shorts and a shirt.
We came around this
I got
time.
shorts and a shirt. I got a shirt and shirt.
Where's my mom?
Pew!
It's cold and I'm over here drinking a smoothie.
Yeah, you took a go to the smallest one.
Wait, why don't you guys?
I told them the Sonic's going to this
You weird, Brian.
Isaac, Sonic's
Super
not
cold
going
when
to
I
this
say it's cold.
It's
super cold.
No, he isn't. Sonic's not going with
Hey, look what I'm drinking.
I have Sonic. I got
Smoothie. Ice
No, you
cold
don't.
smoothie. That don't make no sense. Why am I not drinking hot chocolate? I do not know.
want to go to this school. No.
Alex, where'd you go, man?
You knew they couldn't.
You my co-partner right now.
Okay. Let's go.
It's not even cold, huh?
Is this
You're
so
crazy.
scary?
It is freezing.
Is
And
this
it's
so
raining.
scary? Yeah.
It's not raining no more.
Are you enjoying?
These strawberry ones are good.
Bomb, huh?
They cost
It doesn't look like it's stable.
And a fly.
It's like freaking piggies.
It's like
Angry Birds.
It's like the 3 piggies made it.
And we're the wolves.
No.
So we're about to break it. Whoa, your camera looks so good.
It's like goose.
West Side, Blood Creek. Nah, I'm not with that gang stuff.
Yeah, you better stop.
You say what's up, homies?
I sound not with the gang like.
Go.
You probably think that you are better now.
Who are you subbing, Brian?
What happened?
I said, who are you subbing?
Who's on what?
Who are you subbing?
Am I subbing? Oh, I'm subbing. What kind of sub?
Look, he keeps leaving. Just doesn't want to be part of this no more. You said what? You gave up on mine.
Yeah, he said that he had a little sweet, so he gave up.
Right. You got a little meat.
Here, look, what is it? It's cold. Smiley
Coco.
I'm staying with this group.
We're doing business.
Oh, you're gonna go on the big one.
Look at our chicken, guys.
I got a big
this.
cup.
Look at my car.
Look at this.
Look at my cup, bro.
Wait a minute. This isn't my world. Disappointed!
That's a big car.
What'd you say?
I keep my cock in the business.
I hear this.
If it starts attacking a girl. What's up, boys?
Where were we going?
What's up, blood?
Nigga,
What?
you say?
What's up, blood?
That's what saying that.
That's what you have pure blue on.
Yeah.
Oh, you have blue, but you say blood.
Hey, blood. And they going.
No, but everybody's coming right now. There was a whole bunch of people parking over there.
Yeah.
How much is it for
So,
each ride?
hey, Evelyn.
It's not. We have to
Watch
buy
you
a
take your
wristband.
selfie stick and then your phone just flies out of the
Yes,
selfie
that's
stick.
what the purpose of the game stick is. What?
Watch your phone just fall out of the selfie stick on the right. Your phone
Oh, there's no people.
There's nobody. Look at this. Empty. Line's about to be
Hey,
short.
do you want your shake? Shoot, there goes security. Hey, do you want your shake?
I don't think it's in here. Imagine we bought the McDonald's. You bring the McDonald's?
Evie, you want your shake? Evie.
They check bags.
And I got
You said they don't, and he got sodas in there.
Look, they have water. Evie.
Oh, we're going through security check. Okay.
Alright.
We just went through the security check. So, they thought it was smart to bring McDonald's. They thought they would have got away with it by stuffing
Hey,
it
you
in the
want it?
bag, but now we got to throw it away.
You want it?
Huh?
You want it?
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh, can I hold it?
You want to do a little vlog? Don't drop it. You and Miley.
Hey. Hey. Yeah, I'd rather not. But, hello. Oh, here. Ariane.
You're gonna drop the
I
ball.
feel like dropping it.
What's up, G?
That's bomb. You want to show them your dance? Yeah, go. Oh my gosh, just give it to me. I eat it. Ooh, my face shiny. Shiny.
Oh, we already
Wow.
take a scan over there.
So y'all need Knott's Berry Farm. Here we are.
Mom, where's the ticket?
Oh.
Yeah, Alex. Wait, we can?
Right, huh? Oh. Why'd that go so fast?
I don't think I want to get on the rides no more.
Me neither. Let's go.
I think I can just stand and watch.
Yeah, me
I
too.
think that's good enough for the meat.
That's going too
I
fast.
did. He tried, Mom, I'm gonna Mom.
What are you doing?
He tried to touch my
You've been
butt.
complaining this whole ride.
Oh, you're staying in the freaking ghost town. You're not going anywhere else.
I think my mom has to come up first. So, finally after an hour we're in. We're in Innery.
Let's get a picture together.
You're too big. We're taking a picture?
Yeah.
Let's together. Back up, dude.
Isaac, over here. Isaac.
We're not gonna fit.
Isaac, over here. Over here. Come on,
Put it together. Hey, let's go on that one first. This one right here.
They doing what they doing, but we out. We out. Outie, outie. Outie, outie.
Go.
Isaac has to go.
You're not coming with the
Where?
You guys are coming. We're going to the big one.
Now you want to come with me. Now you want to come with me. I'm going to put this all the way. I'm going to put this in. Super dupery cold. We about to get on this big ride right here. Hopefully I don't get too scared. I ain't been here
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci
since
gang,
like
Gucci gang, Gucci
I
gang,
was
Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
14, 15.
Hey, let's wait for my mom and Emily. They're gonna get on with us.
All right.
Bust two nuts, I ain't make it rain.
Oh. Cold to read.
They do a full circle.
I'm going to try to record it
They're not gonna let you. They're gonna make you put that stuff.
with my phone.
There's a harness right here. You're not gonna be able to hold nothing. It's hard. You can only be like this.
I'm getting it.
I'm gonna.
Oh, so they're not getting on.
Let's go.
You
they're
got to
not going.
pee?
Let's go over there.
I don't want to get on something too scary just yet.
I'm a little kid. I'm only 10.
Okay, but you know I have heart issues. I don't want to get a heart attack.
Can I pull these?
Let me knock out some wood.
Hey, me too, look.
Gotta do it for good luck. Please, Jesus, Lord, please give me these rights.
I'm not kind of scared. I feel like I'm a... Let's go!
Hey, man.
Alex, I can see it.
That's it?
You already went crazy.
That's it? Oh, then I'm gonna get on it.
But it's itchy.
You're annoying with that song. Over here. Woo! I'm back. Backity back.
Let's go that orange one.
I got on this ride. The one I was scared to get on that first, this one. Boy, I was shook. Thought I was about to fly out. Head was spinning. Legs are still kind of wobbly. Look. But
Hey, let's get on it
I made it
again.
through.
All right, let's go.
We're gonna go on another one. We'll be back on this one. That was fun. That was really, really
That
fun.
was fun, guys.
It was so fun.
I
But it was scary.
This one was. Hold my hand. I was like.
I was
laughing.
scared. She was laughing. She was trying to show us that she was tough. That's it.
I'm tough.
But then deep down, she was like, "No,
Oh, that's the pink one. Yep.
I'm not going on the pink one." Nope, not that pink one. Look, guys, she wants me to get. Let me. I can't flip it over.
Here.
My glass of glasseries.
You got that shit.
Evelyn Miller. Titter. That's her name, guys. Her name is Titter.
Rides here.
No, maybe because we're not even getting on them.
Man, this is like.
Let's get on this one.
That's a baby ride.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
This is not no baby ride.
I've been on here before.
Evelyn, get on it. This is not no baby ride.
Yes, it is. Look at how little it is. It's the exit. Who wants to go on a baby ride?
I'm looking on the photo. We should do one of those.
$21? No.
This is not. Watch. You're gonna be saying, look at that.
Big, not big.
What kind of baby gets on a ride that goes sideways?
Abigail, I've been on this before. It's hella short. This is a baby ride, guys. Look. Look. Baby ride.
Ryan, you should get on that one.
Heart problem, high blood pressure, recent surgery, back problem, or pregnant. This ride's not even scary. We were doing all that, Abigail.
Wow.
She could have just walked around. Look at.
Hurry up.
This is like, it's a baby ride. It's not even. Ah! I could sing better. Alright, so we about to get on this next ride. I'll be back. Tell you guys how it went. We gotta wait. It'll be here though. Look, this is baby. Baby ride. I'll be back. Who is that? It's bad. Look at this. This is crazy. Oh no. This is my mood right now. Let me tell you guys. He is standing over there because he is scared. He doesn't even want to get on the ride no more. Look. He's so sure. He's thinking about his whole life right now. He don't even want to get on the ride. Look at this. Look at this ride. Look at it. This is just the beginning. Yeah, I'm having second thoughts about getting on this. Oh no. You gotta be out of your mind. Well, that seems like it's not that bad. He's over there asking for my mom. Does he want to get in? Look. He says, where's your mom at? Look at him. They're trying to convince him to come on. He says, I'm scared. Oh, no.
It's not gonna do nothing to you.
Look at her. They all mad.
They're alive.
They just want to get on. Look at him.
They're alive.
That was so fun. Just at a waterfall.
You guys go. Come on,
You want to go in the temple? What's that one next then? Then you're going to go in there. We're going to go on this ride.
We're going to the revenge.
Short ride? I feel like you're lying to me. I feel like this is a setup.
Look, guys, look. Look at my Siri watch. Hi.
Hey,
Oh, wait, no, wait. Hello.
hey,
She says, hi, I'm a nasty bitch.
Say hi, what are you?
Hi,
get on that one. Our fat asses aren't gonna fit.
Hey, I'm a nasty bitch.
Siri, you getting out of control, man.
Riders, please prepare for launch. Place your head against
My nose
the
stays
fasten
running. I don't know. I don't
Hold on to the
understand.
handrail in front of you.
I gotta go. About to get on another ride.
Please, this way.
Ride. It's a log. Mystery, mystery. Mystery. The mine worker. What? This low key creepy. Oh, this is a drop. I gotta hold my phone tight. Woo! Getting wet. Ooh, shit. Let me show you.
What the fuck? Oh, hell no. I'll be back. Look at this shit, guys. Look at this shit. Bye, guys.
This is like one of the most funnest rides here.
Oh, shit.
That was looking fun.